You searched how to buy shares of HomeCo Daily Needs REIT, a retail-focused Australian REIT listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker HDN.ASX. This video explains the buying process for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy HDN.ASX, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HDN.ASX to find HomeCo Daily Needs REIT. Select the matching CBOE AUS listing to ensure you have located the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm this is HomeCo Daily Needs REIT. Double-check the exchange reads CBOE AUS and the ticker is HDN.ASX before proceeding. Press Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed at the next available session. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration.